I need to decide whether, when I think I'm constructively thinking and allowing my body to be okay, whether I'm kidding myself or not. Is there any way to tell that?
Yes. I know what you mean.
Because driving here, I thought, well, now here I am sitting here, released to be free and easy, and then I wondered, is that true or is it not true?
All right, then you will sense something happening.
Well, yes, I think maybe I do.
All right.
But it isn't anything I can measure or weigh.
No, but you can, if you want to move your arm to get that apple.
Mm-hmm. But getting an apple is a much more direct thing than allowing your body to be easy and open.
Yeah, but your head is the starting point. Mm-hmm. The little tiny movement from here.
Yeah.
Just the speck to move this part right here. And as this moves, you move a leg, and then the rest of your body goes.
Now, am I imagining that feels okay?
I've been trying to call.
Or does it?
What did that feel like?
It feels fine.
All right.
I can trust myself?
Well, I hope so.
That's a good question to have.
It is a good question.
Because in some of the things that I've been reading in Alexander's writings this week suggest that no, you can't, the student can't trust his or her own reactions, it's counterintuitive, according to at least something that I read in the book. But you seem to take the more constructive view that we can trust our own feelings.
Well, that's what you do the constructive thinking for, to be your own boss.
Okay, I like that idea.
I do very much. And if you notice that little tiny ease to start with, then your body is going to have to follow your head, because your head can't go someplace without your body. You see that?
Yes.
And so that's a little bit of an improvement.
That's a little what?
That's a little bit of improvement. And you improve as fast as you learn to do your constructive thinking.
And as often.
And as often, yes. And what you do, you still do a little bit. There's a tiny speck of a drop right here as you continue to walk. There, now did you get that?
It's very subtle, I guess so.
You bet it's subtle. That's what my squeaky voice gets after you for. And this is a good thing to talk about. Everybody ought to be listening and having a chance to speak up if they want to.